Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to duplicate sections on Asana. So first of all, you can see under my workspace we will click on this project. Now click on duplicate project. Now you can see all the options. Just remove these options. Just only all tasks is selected. So now what we need to do, just click on project description and all tasks. You can also change the name, like I am typing duplicate section practice. Now click on create new project. Now it will take some time, wait for a few seconds. So now you can see duplicate section has been created. So in this way you can create duplicate section on Asana.